So here at Open Study College, we have a range of makeup courses. So you could start with our basic day and evening makeup. So there you're going to learn how to prepare your client, create that day makeup that they can use on a daily basis. And then you can transition it into an evening makeup. So you're learning how to do 2 different treatments there in that one course. And then maybe you might like to go on and specialize in your bridal makeup, your contouring. There's lots of other courses that you can go on to build your skills and knowledge. And again, in all of these courses, you're going to learn your basic preparation, so how to prepare your area, your hygiene, so sterilizing and sanitizing, making sure that we're working with clean brushes and tools so we're not cross-contaminating. And then things like general client care, client consultation, your aftercare, how to recognize and identify skin diseases, disorders. So there's so much to learn in those courses, but very important parts to make sure you become a professional makeup artist. You can either purchase the course on its own, and maybe you have products at home or you want to purchase your kits elsewhere, then that's absolutely fine. Or you can purchase the course and kit directly from us, which we will then provide you with everything that you need to complete your course and upload all of your evidence. I've specifically put these courses and kits together, so I know that you're going to have everything that you need within that one kit. And it's a really simple and effective way of learning by purchasing the course and kit together. So for example, when you're completing our nail courses, you'll have a practice hand like so, like the one I've got in front of me, where you can practice on, but also complete all of your practical evidence on and upload your pictures for. So if you're struggling with models or you don't have people around you that will allow you to work on them when you're practicing, then this is your option. So remember, it's course on its own or course and kit together. 2 different options. Maybe you want to learn at home and you want to complete the online side, but you just want that extra support, that feeling of having a tutor in front of you, guiding you step by step, then the virtual courses are perfect for you. This allows you to have access to a 2-hour virtual course with myself, which I will go through problem solving, take you step by step through your procedures. We can talk through any problems that you may be having, and again, guide you through that learning experience. So that's our virtual courses that is combined with the online side, just giving you that extra option of having that tutor support.